Hi again. We are going over Module 3, which is all about text structure. So let's move into this one. Here is our overview. Once again, we're going to be doing several lab assignments to cover different text structure and patterns of organization in reading and writing. We're going to be continuing with our 5 People You Meet in Heaven. We're going to be completing one Connect Lab on text structure, and you will have 6 more of the 25 labs. So we have a PowerPoint, we have a Connect Lab, we have an article about the reintroduction of wolves into our Yellowstone National Park, which is really interesting, what effects they caused on the other wildlife there, and also on the trees and the rivers. It's kind of amazing. We're going to read some more of our book, do another reading selection about e-commerce, all about shopping in online stores or in brick and mortar stores, actual stores. And then we're going to be looking at the effect of the drought in California and its harvest and its implications for, getting fresh fruit in Western New York. We have a text structure quiz, and then that's it. So just a couple more assignments. At the end of this, you'll have completed almost all of your 25 labs. So let's get to it. I'm going to move back into our Module 3. And remember, this is how you check to see your progress. After each module, I update how many labs you have completed. So here is our PowerPoint. Once again, I hope you've been using the PowerPoints. They're pretty involved with different activities, different reading strategies and writing strategies. And this will help you in your English 101 class that you'll be taking next semester, and also in your writing workshop class that maybe some of you are taking this semester. So here is our Connect Lab. And once again, remember that your Connect Labs have to be 100% completed in order to count as a reading lab. You can go save them for later. You can go in and start and then come back to them, but they won't count as an actual lab assignment towards your 25 labs unless you have completed 100% of the assignment. So here is our Yellowstone Wolves article. If you go into this, this assignment, once again, here's how to submit. You're going to open the Yellowstone Wolves article, so it's in a Word document and it's also in a PDF. And then what you submit is in a Word document. So you're going to read the article and then answer the Yellowstone Wolves assignment. So there's quite a few questions there. Make sure that you are answering, correctly. You're using the information from the article that you read. And just a hint, the topic of the article is 1 to 5 words. It is not a sentence. Remember, a topic is just, the main idea, what the thing is about, what the topic is. The topic sentence, that's a sentence, but the topic, and that's one of the sentences, and very few students get that correct. So make sure you're looking at the PowerPoint where it tells you the difference between topic, main idea, and topic sentence. So you're going to be submitting it here. And if you're not sure how to do that, please read that and watch that video on how to submit an assignment. And then once again, we have our 3rd discussion. We'll be reading more of the book. And then these discussion posts and 3 responses are due on November 9th. So we're going to talk about how Eddie's father damaged him. So I'm asking you, in this one, 3 distinct ways. Don't explain them. There's just 3 words. That's all you have to tell me. Okay. And once again, you're going to be taking 3 of these. You're going to be responding to 3 of these. And then you're going to be responding to 3 of your classmates' posts about what they talked about. Okay. So a little bit of figurative language in there, metaphors, personification, make a connection to what your classmate wrote. You're going to open this up right here and then click on Start a Thread. If you're not sure how to do that, there is a video on how to participate in a discussion. So refresh yourself, and don't forget to respond to 3 of your classmates by November 9th. We have our second reading selection. So this one is, it's a PDF file that you're going to be reading and going through and, kind of pre-reading, doing a couple pre-reading activities, read the title and write down 2 things you already know about e-commerce, and then preview the text by reading the introduction, the headings, the first paragraph, the figure 1, and then answer question number 2. And that would be on once you open the PDF file. Okay. And then once you're done with this, then you would take the quiz. Okay. So you're answering, once again, like the online learning reading selection, true or false, reading comprehension, vocabulary questions, main idea, text structure, everything that we have been talking about in the semester up until now. And these quizzes kind of help you with preparing for the final. Okay, and then our Dead Harvest is a YouTube video, and I'm asking you just to watch the first 20 minutes. You can watch all 40 minutes if you want, but the assignment is only on the first 20 minutes. Okay, and you can watch it as many times as you'd like, and then you're going to open up the assignment sheet, discussion questions 1 through 5, save your answers as a Word doc, and then submit. And once again, there's how to submit. And of course, this opens up to be a little bit bigger. I'm not really opening them, but there's more instructions, once you open up the actual assignment. Okay, and then the end of the module, we have a text structure quiz due on the 14th. It opens a week before. You have 3 attempts. It's 15 questions, so you have to get 12 or more correct in order to score that 80%. Okay, and that is module 3.